Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1994 Nismo 270R S14, and this is by Hotwheels from their premium series, more specifically from the modern classic series. And I bought this for 549, which is MRP. So let's get into it. I really don't want to waste any more time because whatever I want to say, I actually said this during the prelude video itself. Okay, I need to find my new knife. So here is the card art. So it has the full car in the art, of the card. So it looks really nice. So let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, it looks really good. Again, one thing I'm really hoping is this is for every brands who does the budget range cars. Please don't do gloss black unless or until you do it perfectly. Because gloss black doesn't look really good because it actually showcases a lot of imperfections in the body of the casting, including the paint issues, more specifically the paint issues. So this does have a lot of dots, unnecessary dots, maybe dust, I guess. But apart from that, let's talk about rest of the things. So it does have headlight detailing here, everything is painted, and let's see if that it has grill detail here. Yeah, it does have grill here. So this one is the bottom part is not painted. It just it's a piece of plastic that actually connects with the chassis and not chassis, sorry, connects with the interior here. So it has rear view mirrors, which is good, and it has the hood detailing here that looks really nice. You can see the uh, I'm hoping that this is a Nissan logo. I'm not sure. I Okay. The rear actually has details. I mean, it has tail light details and all, but the Nissan logo in the center, that looks really stupid. I mean, I can't even say what that is. It looks like a red circular dot with a black, like line going through. That's how I feel. So it has interior details which looks good. Again, they're cheaping out on the interior nowadays. I mean, see, you can see the steering wheel there. It doesn't look like a steering wheel. It just looks like a small circular block. I don't know why they are doing this. I understand cost cutting is there, but this is like too much. So it has rear wipers here, front wipers here. That is good. So this is a full metal casting because this is a Hot Wheels premium, and the chassis actually has a good amount of detailing to it for a change. I do like this. You can see the exhaust here, and you can see the okay. The rims are not actually these are nothing special, but it actually matches this particular casting really good. So the tires are actually rubber. The spoiler is also metal. That it doesn't have any space there. It is just molded along with this body. Let's weigh this casting now. Hmm, 55 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, no, no, it doesn't roll really well. But anyways, so it's a Hot Wheels premium. We are not going to play with it like the main lines, so let it be. But let's rate this casting now. Okay, honestly, I would take 0.5 just for this, because they could have, I know they're cheaping out on the interior. At least they could have just given a at least a decent detailing here. I can't even say if that is a Nissan. If you remove this Nismo and 270 or these kind of things, and if you ask someone to just figure the rear of the car, Just by the tail lights and everything, I don't know how many will be able to figure out. Maybe people who really loves Nissan they can do, but definitely I won't be able to. A common person won't be able to. Yeah, 9.5 out of 10. That's what I'm giving for this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.